To disable your Windows update, first press Windows plus R key and type services.msc. And hit enter. Now scroll down and search for Windows Update. Now right click on Windows Update and select Properties. Now click on Stop button. And then in Startup type select Disable. Now go to Recovery and then in First Failure option select Take No Action. Now in option called Reset Failed Count After, set its value to 0 days. That's all. Click on Apply and OK. In step 2, first press Windows plus R key and search regedit and click. Now click on HK Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft. Scroll down and select Windows. Now right click on Windows and select New Key. Name it as Windows Update. Now right click on Windows Update and select a new key and name it as AU. Now in AU below the default file right click and make a new dword 32-bit value file and name it as AU options. Double click on AU options and set its value data to. Click OK. In step 3, type gpedit.msc in your search box and click enter. Click on I will extend it. Click on administrative templates, Windows components. Now scroll down and click on Windows Update. Now on your right hand side of your monitor search for Configure Automatic Updates. Double click it and set it to disable. Now click on Apply and OK. Now in fourth step, first search Task Scheduler in the search box. Click on Task Scheduler library, Microsoft, Windows. Scroll down and search for Windows Update. Now disable all the tasks in it.